The solution to your air conditioning not working in the second row is to plug in a seatbelt. We noticed this happening where the air conditioning would stop automatically turning on in our second row when we would turn it on in the front because we switched our car seats over to using the lower anchors. And for whatever reason, then the lower anchors combined with our kids not being heavy enough, we kept having to manually turn on the air conditioning and turn on the fan for our back row and couldn't figure out why it was happening until we watched another video where the hack is plug in the seatbelt. Plug in the seatbelt, keep the car seats how you want, plug in the seatbelt, and then the car will automatically turn on the air conditioning in the back like you're used to. Let me show you the setting. So the setting is just having this auto turned on, which we had this auto turned on, and that's why it was so weird when we used the lower anchors. It stopped automatically turning on in the back. But as long as that's autos on, you don't even have to flip over to this rear side anymore. One final note is make sure your kid is inside their car seat when you attempt the trick before you comment that it's not working, because I commented on one other person's video that it's not working, but it was because my kid wasn't in the car seat. So there still is like a weight limit element to it where the car is able to tell if someone's sitting there or not. And so keep it on auto, plug in one of the car seats, kid in the car should automatically turn on in the back. I hope that helps.